Kasi talagang siyang nagbukas nito eh. Pero syempre may question ako dyan, bakit ba niya inopen?
Pero ba-
Because things don't
and
happen.
This will be answered in the next
accident.
1 or 2 years from now. Is that what
Akala
you're
ko
saying?
after commercial break eh. Wala ko I can answer it.
But what do you think? Why now? Or ano? Is it? Well, I don't think it's ill-timed. I think
It's not
timing.
by accident. Right?
Oo.
It's timing. Timing ni Presidente. Bakit niya tiniming?
Bakit niya tiniming?
One,
Sige.
kasi alam niya patalo na yung impeachment. Alam niya eh. Hindi na siya mananalo. Of course, sinasabi niya hindi sa kanya yung impeachment, no? But, you know, people won't believe him. So, matatalo na sa Supreme Court. Siguro nakakuha siya ng intel. We need a new distraction. We need a new political theater. That's one reason. Second, bakit ba natalo yung impeachment? At sino yung mga implicated sa flood control? Connected yan. Kasi meron siyang mga gustong malaglag. Because hindi nyo tinuloy yung impeachment, inupuan nyo, ito ngayon ang consequence. Imagine, Sir Jojo, kung tinuloy yung impeachment, walang flood control. A lot of the senators that are implicated now will not be in question. Wala yan lahat. Quiet pa yan. Ang focus na kay VP Sara.
Pero
I've just given you 2 reasons, ha? Those are the 2 reasons.
And I know I bet you have so much more reasons, no? Especially in the coming few months leading into the 2028 elections. Ang dahil pang mangyayari niyan, dahil
It's
pang
pure
lalabas.
politics, di ba?
That's right. Okay, let's
Pero tayo as the people, no, nandito tayo to know that it is pure politics, but we have to channel that politics to the right reform, to the right changes.
Dapat hindi lang tayo puro politika, no?